Hi, I hope you're having a great day. Today I will show you my website, which is about an application like WhatsApp, whose purpose uh, is to send simple and fast message. And well, here is the page. As we see, because I put the title quick chat, uh, then a sentences which say says Warhol, hype throat, that chatting will be too easy, and if we uh, if we slide down, we will see a section which is about chat, and quick chat is a new platform for you chat simple and quickly. Focus on those whose purpose is only to send message and will respond quickly. The application is free. You can download it at the bottom. You can also follow me on my social networks. I would like which to write your opinions or send me an email. Um, Also shows a video of the chat operation. Here the chat. Below a button that says see more, which will redirect you to another page, which is a blog. In a few moments more, I will explain what this is. If we slide down, we will uh, see the following section, which are the feeders of the chat. As active servers, and thanks to server socket, they can connect through several servers so that they are not saturated. Programmed with socket and threads, the use of sockets and wires is programming important to make it more fluid and robust. And many users add-ons. You can connect many users add-ons with unique ID so that you don't get confused and chat without problems. And the following section shows a chat gallery, which are the windows of the application in operation. Uh, is a window of the servers, um, of the servers in operation, and the window of client. In the case Michael, Riley, Michael, and then we another button which takes you media to Mediafire, so you can download the application, and finally uh, mm, contact section for support or questions. hidden button redirects Mediafire for download the application. And the more button redirect on the other page for quick chat, the blog quick chat. Now, if in the blog page is the description of the chat, and on this occasion I will take the opportunity to share with you an application that I have developed in my free time, and that's written in Java programming language. The application implements multi-thread classes, thread unrunnable, and socket and server socket, for the correct communication between the clients and the chat server. It's a graphic user interface. We using Swing components for both the client and the server. In addition, it is worth mentioning that I did my best to achieve an implication of the MVC model view controller, the sync pattern, and their requirements as Java, ECDK, NetBeans IDE. Finally, to finish the post, we only have to mention that to open the application in the NetBeans environment, you only have to execute the following step. First, download the source code as a zip file. Redirect this button for download the application. Right? Download. And one moment time, the initiating of the download. To unzip the .zip file to a directory or folder on your machine, and open the project for the NetBeans. And 4. If you did all of the above steps correctly, then you will be able to run the project for NetBeans. You view the similar project for the quick chat. A few moments for view the project. This is a paraphrase of the Abraham Lincoln. The best way to predict the future is to create it. And we're ready. And project. and the code explanation. The model view controller, the sync pattern, also GNOME, be its acronym MVC, is nothing more than a programming schema that aims to make the underwriting of an application more readable by separating its design into the fundamental components: the model, the view, and the controller. And mm, uh, sections of the code uh, uh, for implementation in this project. And is a bridge. Mm, and social and Facebook, and Facebook, and the Twitter, and the Instagram. Ready. Thank you.